welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. IAS and IPS officers start learning Konkani. 6 weeks Konkani syllabus training program underway at Secretariat. Study tour to understand Goa. No confidence motion against Vice Chairman of Goa State Cooperative Bank dropped. Members boycott meet hearing on Mue's petition on 8th August. An ambitious plan of Goa Police, all sheds to come under CCTV surveillance, all beaches to be under scanner, government nod expected in 2 days. Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Awards over 8 lakh rupees in cash for 2011-12 season. Umesh Gaus and Sarvan Club win State Youth Awards. And Prasad Patarvekar tells 20 disputed clubs to prove their official status as recognized GCA clubs. Don't make personal allegations, says Prasad. GCA Secretary says 20 clubs were used by Narvekar for elections. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has already initiated notings and remarks on official files in Konkani. Now don't get surprised if IAS and IPS and other All India service officers on deputation in Goa follow CM's footsteps. They all are learning and getting acquainted with Konkani and Goan lifestyle too. A 6-week Konkani syllabus training program has begun from Monday at the Secretariat in Porvorim. Watch this report.
It's an initiative by the State Directorate of Official Language. A 6-week course will continue till the 13th of August. A 22-lecture course for senior state officials includes 2 study tours which will focus on rural village life and Goan lifestyle. The IAS and IPS officers from the AGMU cadre or All India Service find it difficult to have a conversation with the Goans in their common local language, that's Konkani. The training course will help to bridge this gap between the state administration and the locals.
गोंयचे सामाजिक सांस्कृतिक जीवन जे आसा जिवीत जे आसा ताजो लागींच्यान संबंध येवचो तशेंच हांगासरले लोकजीवन जे आसा ते कशे पद्दतीन आसा ताजो एक तांची वळख घडची ह्या हेतून 2 दीस तांचे टूर जातले अभ्यास भोंवडी जातली आनी एक दक्षिण गोंयांत आनी दुसरी आमी केरी 70 सारक्या अशा वाठारांत आयोजीत करपाचें थारायलां. भाशेच्या चळवळीच्या नदरेंतल्यान लेगीत हो एक म्हत्वाचो दीस अशें म्हाका दिसता. प्रशासन आनी लोक हांचे नातें आनीक जुळचें असो एक उद्देश आनी हेतू आसा.
The course was inaugurated on Monday in presence of Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar as Chief Guest Advocate Uday Bhemre was the guest speaker. Chief Secretary, Director of Official Language Prakash Vazirikar and Information Secretary Mohan Lal. It's an effort by the new government to enforce official language in true sense. Let's see how the officials from the cadre pick it up.
And I read English paper and get also Konkani paper at home, which I read when after English paper, read Konkani paper, understand them. But certainly I am not a proficient. But this is the one way of knowing scientifically what is the language. And Konkani is a beautiful language. We want to say that we are very happy. A formal training is there with us so that we can pick up Konkani and be closer to people.
Reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
No confidence motion against Vice Chairman of Goa State Cooperative Bank was dropped without putting to vote on Monday. The motion is technically defeated. 7 members of board present for the meeting boycotted the meet, stating reason of MD's absence. Meanwhile, High Court of Bombay at Goa, after considering the stay order of the Supreme Court, has adjourned the hearing on fresh petition filed by Chairman Ramchandra Mue to 8th August.
No confidence motion against the Vice Chairman of Goa State Cooperative Bank was dropped without putting to vote on Monday. 7 members of the board were present for the meeting convened for considering the no confidence motion against Vice Chairman Ramesh Bhai Bamania. Earlier, 8 directors had filed the no confidence motion, but one amongst them was missing on Monday.
आयची मिटिंगेक 7 जाण इलेक्टेड डायरेक्टर प्रेजेंट जाल्लेले आनी मोशन हो 8 जाणांनी पयलीं दिल्लो आमचे कडेन. पूण ताणें जेन्ना ते आमी तांकां बूक जेन्ना सायन मारपाक दिलो तेन्ना ताणें ते बूक रिफ्यूज केलो. जे इलेक्टेड डायरेक्टर आसात तांणी बूक रिफ्यूज केलो सायन मारपाक, कारण MD हांगा प्रेजेंट ना म्हणून. MDक चॅरमॅनान लेटर दिल्लें की तूं आयची मिटींग एटेंड करनाका म्हणून. पण हांवें तांकां बोर्डाक कितें सांगलें, जे पळय इलेक्टेड बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर लागलें की वो MD प्रेजेंट व्हरो अगर ना व्हरो तें आमकां लागना. ओन्ली वोट ऑफ नो कॉन्फिडन्स आहा तो इलेक्टेड डायरेक्टरांनी तांकां वोटींग करपाचें. तेंच्यान मिटींग बायकॉट घालें आनी ते गेले हांगचे सोडून. म्हणटकीर मागीर आमी प्रोसिडींग बरयलें की जी पळय मिटींग आयच्या हा पयलीं आमी वोट ऑफ नो कॉन्फिडन्स कन्सिडर करपाक वायस चॅरमॅन तो वोट कॅरीड जालो ना आनी तो वायस चॅरमॅन आहा तो कंटिन्यू उरलो तसोच.
Registrar of Cooperative Societies on 26 June had issued notices to the Board of Directors for considering the no confidence motion against the Vice Chairman of the bank. Registrar of Cooperative Societies held a meeting on Monday for considering the no confidence motion in spite of legal notice issued by Chairman Ramchandra Mue's counsel. Supreme Court on 28 June had stayed the order of Assistant Registrar dated 20th June on no confidence motion against Chairman Ramchandra Mue. Goa Bench of High Court considered this stay order while hearing on Monday and adjourned the matter till 8th August. A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agiyar, with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Goa police have designed an ambitious plan to install CCTV cameras inside all the shacks on beaches. As per the plan, all the beaches across Goa will come under CCTV surveillance. This whole scheme is expected to get final nod from the government in the next couple of days. Here is a report.
First United States, then Australia, and now Britain. The alleged crimes against foreign tourists on Goan beaches are the main cause behind the advisories these nations have issued for their citizens. Goa police have now decided to intensify surveillance on Goan beaches. Here is the plan. CCTV cameras inside all shacks, CCTV cameras outside the shacks, CCTV cameras on open areas of beaches. Shack owners to install cameras inside his shack, police to install cameras outside the shack area. Sources say this is the most ambitious plan of beach surveillance prepared by Goa police. CM and Home Minister Manohar Parrikar is also interested in this plan. Police want to achieve following things by putting this system in place: keeping crime on beaches under control, watch on drugs-related activities, counter-terrorism surveillance, a deterrent system for criminals, complete record of activities on beaches. Sources have confirmed that DGP Kishan Kumar has already forwarded this plan to the Home Ministry and it may get Home Ministry nod within next couple of days. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.